Hey, hi, Nirupa.
Hi, Smita.
No one is here.
Yeah, I don't think you'll have class even today.
Really?
I don't know because nobody joined.
But we didn't get any.
Yeah, yeah, let's wait for some time and see.
Yeah. Mhm. So, what you are studying, like else you were talking yesterday?
I'm studying Power BI only, Smita. So I'm concentrating more on Power BI
Mm-hmm.
because lot is there to learn, right? So
What about the Tableau now?
I wanted to go with Power BI thing because Tableau, I don't find too many job positions when I look.
But when I saw in my resume, they mostly like emphasis on the Power BI only.
That's
Sorry, not Power BI, Tableau.
yeah, it's okay. Like you can ask them, any
Mhm.
day. So on whichever thing you're more confident, you can ask them to apply on that.
Yeah. Shall
And
I apply anywhere?
I didn't start yet. I'm waiting for the course to complete. Mostly, I will start from next week. I'm
Okay.
thinking. Anyhow, the market is okay type.
Hmm. Hey, Taru.
Hey, Taru, good morning. So you started applying, Smita?
Not yet, but I'm trying first online, like training on job kind of thing first.
Oh, you're taking other classes to Smita?
Not now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, if there is so much of Power BI in your resume or Tableau, like see
Yeah.
if you're comfortable with, more confident with on which thing. I think you requested Sunita at that time to keep most of Tableau, right? Because you're good at Tableau.
But I didn't say to her she asked me about the technology knowledge, so I said I don't have any like IT knowledge, so she put by herself.
Yeah, you finish by the time you finish the course, you
Mhm.
anyhow you're practicing every day, right? So see
Mhm.
in which thing you have more confidence and focus on that and ask them to change that to that particular thing and apply for the job positions.
Hmm. Let's see.
Yeah, so sir didn't join. Let's see. Okay, I'm muting myself, Smita. Hi, Ramya.
Yeah.
Hi, Nirupa.
You guys didn't have class in the morning, Ramya?
No. We don't have any class, so he asked us to join in this group.
Today, you got that message today?
Yes. So today we have class in this section, I think.
Okay. Okay, then. Okay, I'm muting myself, Ramya.
Hey, hi, good morning.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hi.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Sir, I wanted to ask one thing regarding the questions which you gave. Can you, because most of the questions I didn't understand how to do even, can you just show like can we do work on them first, sir? Because
Okay, can you please pose the questions?
sure. I did, sir.
Okay. You're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Downloading the data. Kickstart file, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any transformations are required in the file which you observed? Okay, we'll check.
Your fields are null is there, sir. I didn't do any transformations as such.
Okay. Okay, we'll go through it. We'll go through it. First column ID, name, fine, category, main category, currency, deadlines, and goal, launched, pledged, state, backers, country, use pledge, real. Okay. Now, okay. First of all, just tell me, by seeing this data, anyone understand what this data belongs to?
This data belongs to generally for the people who are like startups or any, if they wanted to come up with any business, they're looking for funds for the business to start with. So they put
Okay.
an idea, and for that, if that idea is backed by any backers and there is a specific goal set and it is all over the world, it's all over the world basically. So if for that particular goal is set, if the particular goal is met, then they're giving a status like it is success and the project went live. If it is not, if it is pending, otherwise the status is either getting pending or cancelled. That's what
Okay.
I understood. And
Okay.
there is a launch date for the successful things, like there is a launch date and, and for the goal and everything. I mean, for the goal set for, there is a launch date and the deadline even, like, and there are different categories in which category the idea is coming up and how many backers are there.
For example, if you see, okay, now I'm just closing the apply and doing it. Total, how much data you have in the data?
It is more than 5 million rows of data.
Okay. See now, for example, you're able to identify which are numerical values and which are not a numerical values. you're able to easily identify with the explanation of a sigma. You can able to easily understand which are belongs to numerical and which are non-numerical. Is that clear? Okay. And after that, what is the main thing at here?
It's a category.
Category. Total, how many categories are there? How many categories?
It's 37. 6. Okay.
You're able to see only 37?
No, sir. It's 37, 86, 61.
3D printing, academic accessories, action, animals. These all are what? These are the different sectors, right? Where they are going to start. Weaving, web comics, web series, woodworking, workshops, world music, young adult, genies. Okay, now if you see, if you want to observe.
So in categories, there are more than 378 categories.
3,78,661.
Sorry, 3 lakh?
78,661. Is it?
3 lakhs.
Count of categories.
Okay.
Count of categories, count of unique categories.
Okay.
Okay, just see. So this is the data, what we have. If you observe, I'll show you.
Okay.
If you see, you remember all the Power Query things, how different things you used.
This
Main category. Okay. And you're able to see how many all are you are able to see it here. Where you are able to identify unique things. Where you're able to do. After selecting this, how you're able to get that, how many count.
So
Sorry. Where you will do?
Transform data.
In Power Query. That is a data view. Main category. Right? One second. I'm removing this thing from here. Okay. I'm going to, you'll add a column or you will transform. In transform. What do you want to see?
Count of the
count. In statistics, right? You need to get into statistics. 3,78,661 categories. If you want to go back, you need to cancel this thing. And now you need to come to, you need to select this and transform statistics, count of distinct values.
Okay.
How many different categories are there in our data?
15.
15 categories.
This is main category.
Yes, main categories. In main, subcategories will be there. For example, if you see how you will do it in each and every main category, how many subcategories are there? How you will do? How you will do?
Main subcategories. Can you show, sir?
You don't know how to do?
I will try here.
Okay.
Guys, each and everyone try. All of you guys have forgot. Each and every main category has how many subcategories are, how many different subcategories are there. I want that information.
Is it 159?
Why it is taking a lot of time?
Why? Because it has a huge data. Your system configuration is less, right?
Yeah.
Even though if I had a 124 GB of RAM, I mean, it's like a 154. What's my system configuration?
My God.
It's 159.
My system configuration is 128 GB internal RAM. Even though it is taking time, I don't comment on your system's performance for this data.
Yeah, I don't think it will happen anytime now, sir.
Now see, I'm just loading the data, and I'm using two windows.
Why, sir?
One is I'm doing for Power Query, and another one is I need to do the granular analysis. With help of some functions in the Power Query, we're able to identify how many distinct, how many all those things, right? To get a basic understanding and basic clarity. After that, to see the detailed things, what do you need to do?
Visualization. Sir, how you did subcategories count? Same like going to statistics and seeing the count of subcategories?
Yes.
No, but how many
No. Not. I identified only main categories in Power Query.
Yeah. So how many?
Okay. For the basic understanding. Now, what I'm doing at here, you're able to see where is the category in y-axis.
Category. Okay.
Which category is used?
Film and video. Count of
film and video. How you will get the label information? How you will get the label information?
Go format and data labels.
Which category? So from where you will start? You will start analyzing based on the category, or you will analyze based on the main category?
Main category?
Which one is the base for your analysis? Main category, right? How you will say like that? Retail business, B2B business, and like that, right? E-commerce. You're not saying and you're not keeping. In e-commerce also, if you open any Amazon or Flipkart, how the data aggregations will be there? How the data will be representing it here? For example, Amazon, I'm opening it. Okay, just 1 second. I'm bringing it. You're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
What type of things you're able to see here? Trending, digital content and devices, shop by category, program features, help and setting. In the shop by category, if you're able to see, mobile computers, TV appliances and electronics, men's fashion, women's fashion, home, kitchen, pets, beauty, health, grocery, sports, fitness bags, luggage, toys, baby products, car, motorbikes, industrial, books, movies, music, and video games. How
So,
many products will be selling in Amazon?
millions,
Lakhs, right?
lakhs of millions. Yeah.
Millions. And in how many categories they're segregating? Each and every product which is sold in Amazon will come into any one of this category. Apart from this, nothing is there. You understand? You'll accept it?
Yeah.
Anyone have any questions?
So this shop by category in Amazon, it is like a main category for us
Yes.
in the Kickstarter.
Yes, right.
So
For
under
example,
the main category only, they gave subcategory, like, and under that subcategory, they are segregating according to the thing.
yes, that's the thing only, right? What you're able to see here. Okay. Now, if you observe another thing, what is the okay, I'll tell you one more thing.
Sir, I
Here,
have one question.
yes,
So,
tell me.
for the first question, how many categories are there in count? We saw it in the query, Power Query. We went to start it. And for the next thing which you asked.
Okay, you are saying not only in a Power Query, we can able to see here also.
Yeah, we can see here also.
How you will see?
In the subcategory, in the main category here.
Yes, how you will see? How you will see the main category set here?
If we say take a text card and put main category, will it give the count? And we say count. Count distinct or count. Yeah. 15. So
okay.
So
and
my next question is, so you asked one question, how to find the subcategory, how many subcategories in each thing under the main category. So that you did here chart, right, sir? Like
count of categories.
Yeah, for that question, this is the answer.
This is for
category by main, subcategory count. So can we do this there in the query, sir? Like, I'm not getting how to put it exactly. So can you do this in the Power Query? How many subcategories under each category? I mean, how many categories?
Okay. What is the purpose of the Power Query?
To transform data if anything is missing, or if we want to make see.
Okay, right. See. We discussed some specific things, if you remember. How you will keep the columns? Only the required columns in a Power Query?
Remove columns. We'll just remove it if we don't need other ones.
For example, I want only category and main category here. How you will keep?
Then keep columns where, remove other columns.
Right?
Yeah.
You're able to see? These are all the different categories. And for example, okay. Now, what is the purpose of the group by?
Grouping, yes. Yeah, now I got it. Okay.
You're able to see?
So it showed the main category only 15. Okay, we have these. Now the category are the not the main one, right? These
Yes,
are the
these are the
subcategories
categories.
and
Yes.
the counts. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just I am removing these things. Now, just see. What is the difference between that and this?
That it is like, uh, if you say publishing, so if you take technology, whatever technology is there, it is like for phones, accessories, everything, it is taking it as a, I'm just giving example. It's counting, but here it is grouping everything, whatever comes under technology, it is grouping and counting and putting it in that part. It's grouping by here.
Okay.
So here it is the total of, like in publishing, there were so many subcategories. It's the total of those subcategories.
Yes, this is the based on the main category, how many times that each and every main category repeated. That is the grouping, right? In the previous screen, what it is based on the category for each and every item, how many times it is repeated. For example, if you each and everyone are clear, or anyone have any doubts? Taru,
Clear, sir.
Rakshu, you have any questions?
Yes, sir, got it till now.
Okay. Now, what's my third question? Is there any goal which is related to e-commerce? In this particular main category, is there anything related to e-commerce?
Sir, now
Especially?
my question is, e-commerce ante, if we just go back to our, my main question is, e-commerce ante everything which we can get it online or on the internet, like buying and selling, anything. It can be anything.
Virtual transaction which we are doing for a product without seeing that particular product.
So if you take this publishing, in the publishing, there will be papers, books, everything. So everything comes under, I mean, everything, this is, అంటే అదంతా కూడా ఈ-కామర్సే కదా సార్? మై క్వశ్చన్, నాకు అది డౌట్ అన్నమాట, అది క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది.
ఈ-కామర్స్ ఎట్లా అవుతుంది?
So
how it will be e-commerce?
Fashion, okay, fashion we can put it in the e-commerce because
how you will say anything mentioned in the data?
No. So
without any reference, how can you estimate like that? These all the services are provided virtually only. How can you think?
Okay,
is there any proof for us?
To think of it, all this is just a business ideas they are taking.
Right.
Yeah.
It's not, for example, if anyone mentioned like that, online shopping or online food delivery or online customizations, then you need to think about e-commerce, right?
Okay. Now I got it.
Okay. So that's the reason. What is the question? Is there any goal which is related to e-commerce? I'm not asked you what is how much total goal, what are the goals related to e-commerce? Is there any goal? So here you don't take it assumption. As a data analyst, as a business intelligent people, you are not give any 1% also for your assumptions.
Okay.
If there is any data, then you need to consider it. Okay. What is the answer for third question?
There is none.
Yes.
Okay.
No e-commerce category.
Okay.
There is no specific information related to that.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, yesterday I was thinking
90% of the questions will be answered to the business with a simplified understanding. In our day-to-day work also, it will be like that. Yeah. Why? Because business will bring a problem to us. For example, how we can, I mean to say, like, is a digital advertisement company can we approach to promote our product? You getting what I'm saying? To promote our product, any digital advertisement company we can approach. You know what that particular product? For example, you know what that may be the particular example.
That could be any product, right, sir?
Okay. If each and every product will be marketed with the same strategy, it will be going to work out.
No.
For example, if you want to market chocolates, what type of strategy will follow?
We will attract, to attract all ages.
And our concentration is mainly up to teenagers, right?
Kids and teenagers. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And if you want to promote clothes, in clothes, when they are preparing it, when they are designing it, they can able to know, right? Up to how much age people they'll prefer it, and in which age group of the people will be attracted and will be suited and will be impressed with these designs. Each and everything will have a strategy.
Yes.
You know, that's right, right?
Yes.
Without any strategy, they are not going to prepare each and everything for each and every age group. If you observe, the designers also will design costumes based on the color complexity and the regions and the cultures and the budget and the location where they are selling. Different strategies will be there. Okay. But the thing is here, you need to remember, whenever you want to, you are in a situation to provide a solution, you need to think generalize. You need to have a generalized thinking and data specific solution. You understand? If you think generalized, then only you are able to identify is everything is fine or not. Then the data will help you to take the decision. Okay. What is the fourth question?
Fourth is segregate main category. That means what we did in the chart, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Why art is more in the main category?
Remaining also there. For example, 39,877 are there. For example, I'm just sorting from ascending to descending to ascending. Okay. See this one. Art is there at which place?
7th place.
7th place. Is it less? Is it a less number?
No.
Is it a high number?
No.
You don't expect business will ask each and every time what is the first one, what is the second one. It's not a school, it's not a college. People don't expect each and every time you will ask about why those 3 products are selling more, why the last products are not selling more. Don't expect that type of questions from the business. They'll ask anything. You need to identify the reason for it.
So how to do this? Why art is more in the main category, and how to if to put in the chart, we should be able to give a reasoning why it is more, no, sir?
Yes, why it is more.
Yeah.
For example,
why
it is more.
Art is more. So the reasoning should be right there.
Yes, the reasoning should be there. So 1 second. We're going to here, and you need to first, what you need to do? You need to observe the things which are related to art. Okay. Now, art. In art, how many models are there? How many models are there? How many different categories are there? Approximately 28,000, right? 28,000. And if you come to here, the first whenever, this is the funda, whenever you're trying to find a solution, first you need to start with this demographic. What is the meaning of what will come under demographic?
Mm.
Okay.
Related.
For
Yeah.
example, I'll tell one example. In Amirpet, who will be more?
Students.
Students or job seekers
Mm.
who will complete their education firstly and who are trying to jobs, they'll be there. Okay. In high tech city or in Madhapur, who will be stay more?
People who are working near to the companies.
Okay. In
Families.
Gachibowli and in Kondapur, Manikonda, where what type of people will be there?
Residential and boutiques and that kind of stuff. Commercial and residential.
Right? In so you're able to understand what is the context at here.
Mm.
Whenever you're trying to identify a solution to a problem, first you need to start from its roots. The roots will be definitely, for example, if any business is started, if there is no requirement surrounded to that, and if there is no influence, it is not going to start it, right? You need to think from there itself. For example, here, what do you need to consider? What do you need to do? For example, I'm considering it. I'm taking a map. Okay. Now I'm taking one second. State. Okay. Now okay. Now if you observe, what do we need to consider now? Why this is not responding? Anything?
Mm.
Why this is not responding to anything?
Sir, now even for me, it is either slow or it is not responding to anything, sir. Maybe you should add more values.
Okay. Now just see.
You'll take away that one. Count distinct. Keep all.
It is taking time, yeah. Okay, we'll try to take in another one. Okay. Now I'll try to. And this data is taking too much time to generate the visualization. Art requires single selection. Okay. Now, why this data is not showing and it is not identifying? Where is the state information? Yes. Okay. Okay. Guys, can you please tell why?
What, why, sir? It's taking too long. Even it's, for me, for your system at least, it's taking this much time. For me, I'm sitting so long, I'm getting bored and I'm leaving actually.
Okay. The thing is, our infrastructure is not suitable to do this. Still, is the process is happening, but we are not able to do. The information, this the visualization. What we need to do. Okay, what's up? Why art is more in the main category? Okay. Amount of countries. Main art. Okay. Countries. How many countries are there? First of all, this particular thing is not in a categorized. It's a place.
Sir, what is that you're doing?
I'm trying to identify. This is not identifying as a country, or first of all.
Okay.
Okay, we need to do the data categorization, but the state at least will work. Check. This is a state or province. States is not identifying. 1 second. Is there any improvement for it? One is a mapping thing.
Smita, what path, Smita?
Yesterday we did like import that data from Excel.
Yeah.
In-
No, so I didn't understand what path. I didn't send. I just send you the project. But it is already there in your laptop.
Kick file.
Yeah, you go to C colon users, in users, Smita or some name under that in Excel, it is there.
Yeah, I did, but I forgot how I import on SQL.
Oh, okay. You go to MS SQL from
Yeah.
MS SQL to Power BI.
No.
In
Like,
MS SQL to convert into table.
yes.
Okay, you just in MS SQL, you right click on the database. After it gets connects, you right click on it and you import it as a flat file.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
So for this particular question, why we are focusing on this date and currency?
No. Why? Because here, each and every time the names will be not suitable for us to identify those are state names or country names or city names.
Yeah,
Defaultly, Power BI has that capacity.
Yesterday onwards, I was trying with this. So same thing happened to me also.
Actually, the thing is, it need to be identified. It need to be worked in a proper way.
I don't
Even
know.
though it is a shortcut and it is a name or it's a city, it need to identify on the map.
Yeah. Okay.
So
first I thought that it was a problem for me only. So
No.
I
Actually,
just
the thing
select
is,
something.
maybe
So when I select the bakers and the main street, something happened, some visualization happened, but this country and all, it don't identify something.
Wikipedia, you need to download it. And okay. And then you need to map it. Okay, right. Let's just see. I'm posting the solution at here. You can please go through that. We're able to do it. You can able to convert. How we, how we're going to solve that thing? We need to prepare a mapping sheet. All the 2-letter words and the names in one file. And we need to keep that file and original file. We need to replace this 2-letter name, with in this with there.
Sir, what happened just now? I had to step outside. What were you telling?
I just explaining the solution. We
Okay.
need to bring a mapping sheet. In that mapping sheet, 2-letter word is there and country name will be there. In our data, 2-letter word is there, right? This 2-letter word need to match with this particular thing, and this is replaced by this.
What 2-letter word, sir?
How the country name is mentioned at here?
Oh, okay.
How the country name?
It is like they are saying US GA. Yeah, okay.
USGA, right? You need to keep this mapping sheet and that one. For example, if you come to here, here I'll show you.
So you're saying you have to do what? The 2-letter word?
2-letter word to country. That full name mapping sheet will be there. I shared one link.
Like United States, right?
Yes, right.
Okay.
From Wikipedia, you're able to find out. From there, we need to do that thing. 1 second. I'll try to find. Is there any?
We have to do the 2-letter word. We have to transform it to something, or we have to, based on the letters, we need to find it.
We need to not we need to transform. We need to add a mapping sheet to it.
Oh, how, sir?
I'll share the link in the chat.
Yeah, I saw the link. How to display 2-letter country data on a Power BI map. Okay. Build map visualization.
2-letter means nothing but alpha 2 code.
Looks fine. Okay.
You're performing the data scraping from the Wikipedia, and you're bringing those two, that one also into the form of table, and you're building a relationship with this.
Can we do it now, sir? So we don't have to attach the file or anything like that, right? We just have to, he's saying first select the field map. Then
okay, I'll say just see.
He's saying get, okay, I will try it here in the Power BI.
What is saying?
Get a field map. Okay. శిరీష వచ్చింది, శిరీష ప్యాటీ వచ్చింది.
వచ్చిందా? కాల్ చేయమన్నారేంటి?
యా, అంటే వెళ్ళిపోతుందేమో, మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళిపోతే నేను దాని వెనకాల పరిగెత్తాలని.
Field map. Okay, you're not able to see anything. At that time, what you need to do? Power BI is not going to support 2-letter words.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's the reason. This is a workaround methodology.
So he's saying get the.
Okay, for example, now get data from the web.
Okay.
Okay, the URL, this, and
Oh,
okay, connect.
sir, you gave Wikipedia URL here?
Yes, it has a default scraping capabilities, right?
So what did you said get data and you gave the URL there.
Yes, right. Get data, and I selected the web format.
Yeah.
How
Okay.
CSV Excel we are
Yes,
selecting.
yes. Okay.
Now you're able to see different tables. Officially, not like a previous. Naming and disputes, ISO table edits, and these are the tables. 1 second, we'll see what exactly available in this particular Wikipedia page. The table 1, table 2, alpha 2, alpha 3 code. The ISO 31661. If you see, this is the website. This is ISO 31661 table. Okay. Now I'm selecting this table, and this is the data. Okay. Load the data.
So this is called web scraping?
Yes, this is the
Oh.
scraping, right?
So the Wikipedia that you give is the standard one, right? So we can give to any other.
I didn't get you.
You pasted a Wikipedia site, right? An address, right?
Yes, right. You
It's
can
a
page
standard.
anything. You can page anything. You can post anything. The web, any web address which have a data in the form of table.
Like this if you have any problem with like this country code or something like that, right?
Yes, right.
Okay.
For example, this is a okay, location coding. Now what I'm going to do, I'm keeping alpha 3 code, numerical code, subdivision code I don't want, independent I don't want. I'm going to remove. Where I'm going to remove these things?
Remove columns. Remove column, other columns.
Remove columns. Now, this is my
The data what?
temporary data which we have. So close and apply. I'm closing and applying it. Now you are able to see the 1 second. It is saving.
Okay.
Now, if you see the relation table, AdventureWorks and location coding is there. Kickstart project is there. We don't want these things. We are removing from our model. Yes. I don't want you. Remove, delete from the model. Delete from the model. Now only we have a 2. Defaultly, it has any relations?
No.
No, right?
No.
How you're able to create the relation?
You just check what is
Okay. For example, just see. Alpha 2
manage
code, right?
relation.
Alpha 2 code, right? Now, you're able to see?
You placed it in the country, sir?
Yes. And state also, I'm placing it. Okay.
Okay.
Now, just you try to see. Already I made a relationship, right? This is the data. Okay. Now we are in a transform data. Now I'm going to transform the data. Okay, I'm adding two more columns. Just where you're going to add column.
Add column.
On basis of what you're going to do,
On the code.
you need to add a new column, right?
New
How you
column.
will add a column? How you will add a column to this particular data set?
You, sir.
You know, I'll tell you. The location is there, right? Location coding mapping is there, right? I asked you to VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP thing. It need to identify the 2-letter word in the main Kickstart project, and it need to go and search for the full name of that, and it need to bring along with that. Okay.
Okay.
In Power BI, we can able to do it simply.
Okay.
I am telling you the function name related. Okay. I'll give 5 minutes of time. Can you please try it? How you're going to do? With help of related, you need to bring this particular data from location coding to Kickstart project. Got it?
Okay.
Here you're able to see, right? Country full name. Create a new column, country full name, and then you need to bring those values.
Sir, give me a moment. I'll be back, sir.
Okay.
Sir, are you talking anything, sir?
No, I'm not talking anything.
Okay.
I'm expecting an answer from you.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, are you expecting that related filter which we do in DAX? Is that what you're saying, sir?
Related is a filter?
Yeah, it is related to some cross filters or something related.
Yes.
Yeah. So, okay. Sir, again, I have to step out for a minute. I will be back.
Okay,
sir.
okay, no problem.
Sorry, sir, I came back. It's festival kada, sir. Naku cleaning chese vallu vacharu. So,
Okay, okay, okay.
and I saw everybody left except for you and me. Okay. So, yeah, నాది ఇంకా లోడ్ అవుతున్నట్టుంది ఇది. ఇంతసేపు పడుతుంది అసలు. ఓకే. సార్ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ డేటా మోడల్లోకి వెళ్ళి చూస్తే నాకు అక్కడ అన్ని ఫీల్డ్స్ కనిపించకుండా ఆ డేటా మోడల్లో ఉట్టి కిక్ అని ఒక మెజర్ ఒకటే కనిపిస్తుంది ఏంటి సార్? అంటే ద వన్ విచ్ ఐ డిడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద వెబ్సైట్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ షోయింగ్ ఆల్ ద ఫీల్డ్స్ విచ్ ఐ డౌన్లోడ్ చేస్తాను.
నో మొత్తం మీకు అన్ని కనిపిస్తాయి.
ఏమో సార్.
Anyone are facing the same problem?
I don't think anybody is there except for you and me.
Why? All are dropped?
Everybody dropped, sir.
When?
I don't know. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను బయటకు వెళ్ళినప్పుడు రమ్య ఉంది, ఫస్ట్ తరు డ్రాప్, తర్వాత స్మిత డ్రాప్, అండ్ ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ యూ అండ్ మీ.
11:20 అయిందా?
యా, ఒక్కసారి ఇది ఒకటి చెప్పండి సార్. నేను ఐ విల్ జస్ట్.
ఏంటిది మీకేం ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది?
ఇది ఇలాగ చూపించట్లేదు ఎందుకు సార్? నాకు చూపిస్తున్నా, స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నా.
ఒకసారి చేయండి.
ఓకే, అది నన్ను చేయనివ్వట్లేదు స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్. Why it is not allowing me to do the screen sharing, sir?
Why? Because I also didn't log in as an admin.
What happened to my data? Oh my God, all my data is gone, sir. అందుకే ఏమీ చూపించట్లేదు. సార్ ఇప్పుడు
Okay.
మళ్ళీ దీన్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసేసరికి నా పని అయిపోతుంది. వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్? నేను ఏమి చేయలేదు సార్. అది I just
Don't worry. These are called system crashes.
చచ్చిపోయింది అనుకుంటా నా సిస్టమ్ ఈ డేటాను మేనేజ్ చేయలేక. ఇది ఎవ్రీథింగ్ చేసినవి అన్ని పోయింది ఆ పేజెస్ అని. సరే సరే సార్, అయితే ఐ అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్ విచ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ. ఇది విజువలైజేషన్ దగ్గర మీరు మెజర్ క్రియేట్ చేశారు కదా సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఇది. ఓకే, సో యూ సెడ్ లొకేషన్ కోడింగ్. లొకేషన్ కోడింగ్ అంటే దిస్
కొత్త కాలం క్రియేట్ చేశాను.
అదే
మెజర్ కాలం అనేది ఏంటి అంటే ప్రతి రోకి వస్తుంది.
ఓకే,
మెజర్ అనేది ఏంటి అంటే మొత్తం టేబుల్ అంతటికి కలిపి వస్తుంది. ఆ కాలం అంతటికి కలిపి ఒకటే వాల్యూ వస్తుంది.
కాదు సార్. సో మెజర్ అనేది మనం అది మొత్తం టేబుల్లో ఎక్కడైనా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఈ కాలం ఇది మీరు చేసింది ఉట్టి ఆ టేబుల్ ఆ కాలం వరకే.
అవును.
ఓకే, సో దిస్ లొకేషన్ కోడింగ్ ఇస్ ద టేబుల్ నేమ్ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ షార్ట్ నేమ్ అది అక్కడది. యూజింగ్ టైటిల్. ఓకే, అది షార్ట్ నేమ్. ఓకే
ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక్కసారి నేను మీకు ఆ లింక్ ని వాట్సాప్ లో కూడా షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే,
from there 99% of the problems are not only first for us.
ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ ఉండుంటే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కి సొల్యూషన్స్ కూడా.
Each and every problem is solved by us in the first time itself. It means we are not doing a normal work.
That means you are a genius.
Yes, that means you are a genius.
Not me, sir. For people who is doing.
Yes.
సరే సార్, ఇది రికార్డింగ్ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్ మనకి?
yes ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే,
ఇది ఈ రికార్డింగ్ మీరు వేరే బ్యాచ్ లో కూడా షేర్ చేయరా ఒకసారి? People who missed this class, they'll also listen.
ఓకే, సో ఎస్ సార్, అది ఆ రికార్డింగ్ ఐ విల్, అంటే వేరే బ్యాచ్ లో వాళ్ళది నా దగ్గర లేదు. ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ సెండ్ ఇట్ టు గాయత్రి.
ఓకే then
she will post it. గాయత్రి ది ఉంది నా దగ్గర.
ఓకే, done.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఓకే, bye.
Tomorrow we have class, sir.
Tomorrow is a Friday.
Yeah.
Okay, festival, right?
మీకు ఫెస్టివల్ రేపేనా సార్? మాకు రేపే ఇక్కడ
13th 14 15 భోగి.
మీకు 14th 15th 16th అన్నారు.
హాలిడేస్ ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి 16th, హాలిడేస్ ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి 15th.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే, bye.
Let us know in the chat, sir. Thank you.
Okay, done. Bye.
Bye, sir.